Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic for you, how to earn money online. In the vast digital landscape, countless avenues for income await your exploration. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or pursue a full-time online career, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, freelancing. This is all about leveraging your unique skills and talents. Think of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr as your global marketplace. Here's how it works. You identify your skills, whether that's writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. Then you create a compelling profile that showcases your expertise, and you start offering your services to clients from all over the world. The beauty of freelancing is in its diversity. From writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing, there's a niche for everyone. Ever thought about sharing your expertise? The digital world is brimming with platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, where you can create and sell your very own online courses. From knitting to neuroscience, there's an audience eager to learn from you. The process? Simple. Develop your course content, film your lessons, and upload them to the platform. Set your price, and voila, you're in business. Teach what you know best, and earn money while helping others learn valuable skills. It's a win-win. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This incredible avenue allows you to earn by partnering with companies to promote their products. You're essentially the middleman, connecting potential customers to the products they seek. When a sale is made through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its flexibility. You're not tied to any one company or product. Choose products you believe in and share your genuine recommendations with your audience. Are you a creative soul or an entrepreneur at heart? Start your online store. In this digital era, platforms like Shopify and Etsy are providing a seamless experience for individuals to set up their virtual storefronts. Whether you're into crafting handmade items, designing digital products, or keen on exploring the dropshipping model, these platforms cater to all. The key is to carve out your niche, create engaging product listings, and provide top-notch customer service. Build your brand and turn your passion into profit. Virtual assistance is in high demand. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a range of services from administrative support, customer relations, to social media management. Tapping into this field is as easy as signing up on platforms like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Time, etc. These sites connect you with clients looking for your skills. And there you have it, a variety of ways to earn money online. We've traversed the realms of freelancing, online courses, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, stock photography, and virtual assistants. Each avenue holds its unique potential to generate income depending on your skills and interests. Remember, the key to unlocking online income is dedication and consistency. Explore different avenues, find what suits you best, and take the plunge into the world of online opportunities. Until next time, happy earning!